Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to pay your Progressive auto insurance bill online. Open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Things to Do. On this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Billing and Payments. At the bottom part of this page, you will see an option for Make a Payment. Click on Make a Payment. Now, select the amount you wish to pay. You have three options whether to pay current amount, pay remaining balance, or pay different amount. Click on the option you wish to select. If you chose different amount, enter the amount on the field below it. Then click on Continue. After that, select the payment method. In this video, I chose to add a new card since it don't have any saved payment methods yet. Click on the option you wish to select. Once you've selected the payment amount and payment method, click on the Submit Payment button. That's how you pay your Progressive auto insurance bill online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.